is up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Mic'd Up. Here in the blazing sun, we have an old school favorite, back from the ashes, a phoenix that it is, Chris's Nismo. Boosted Nismo once again. We know he had some engine problems and he overcame that. I will give the man some huge props right there. This sicko actually rebuilt his own engine. If you look back in a couple of videos, we went over his Frankenstein build in his garage by himself. That's pretty cool. Give the man some big props. Put something in the chat about that. So Chris, she not only kind of have a new heart, she's kind of looking a little big. That's a big old mount.
Yeah, we got a brand new front bumper on there and a new top hat wing.
A lot of things have changed, not just performance-wise, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, see that big old whale mountain there sucking up all that air. Let's go ahead, put this thing in a tripod, and let's discuss the changes in this Phoenix. Yeah. All right, so let's discuss the front here. What is this bumper?
This is a Sundome N1 bumper.
Sundome? So Sundome is the brand?
Yes.
And I guess N1, Nissan N1 kind of thing, so it plays on that.
Yes.
Do you all have that hood?
Always had this hood, it's
Okay.
MCR hood.
The same wheels?
Same wheels.
The same rubber?
The rear did have R888s when we first filmed it.
Right.
So I got some NTL5s in the rear this time. You know, the R888 ran out.
Okay.
So found these on Facebook Market.
Nice.
So
And it said the top half is new also?
yes, the top hat is new. That is at MCR.
Okay.
Top blade.
And then while we're back here, his prized possession is his little Tommy Kira badge.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Chris. So that's all the change since the last time we saw the car outside?
For the exterior wise, did do some change in the inside also.
Oh, the interior?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was that?
So we got rid of the coolest work short shifter.
Okay, yeah, that.
But there is still a short shifter in there.
Okay.
It's a C1 short shifter.
Gotcha.
So we put the C1 shifter bracket bushings
Okay.
and the C1 short shifter back.
Okay, nice.
I
So-
kind of missed the OEM style, so
The close is just too notchy?
it's a little too notch. It was cool at first, you
Uh-huh.
know, but I just missed the OEM feeling. We got new gauges too. The
Oh,
AEM was kind of old and was
Yeah.
like giving up, so I got rid of those. So we went with all VOSS gauges. So OLED, LED gauges, the short hub and the quick release. I did have an NRG. You know, I cheaped out the first time.
Oh yes, you was just balling on a budget back then. Now
Yeah.
you've grown since.
Yeah. So since the yen is really cheap at the moment,
Yeah.
so I went ahead and bought the work spell.
Yeah. Yahoo auctions right now, man. That's the place to be. Okay, so let's go ahead. You want to go ahead and pop the hood and let's talk about what was done, updated under the hood?
Yeah.
The engine itself, Frankenstein.
Yeah.
So you actually spruced up the actual engine itself.
Yeah.
So you did the wrinkle black cover that we saw in the last video and a couple other things.
So for this setup, so the last setup was pretty much everything was stock, like stock headers too. So I threw on some C1 headers and got those V-banded. I think we talked about that at
That's
the
right.
last.
Yes, you did the Y pipe underneath on the turbos that goes to the tomei. You got those V-banded because you had some exhaust leaks, right?
Yeah, I was just tired of having an exhaust leak, so I
Yeah.
just went ahead and V-banded it. We upgraded the radiator. I was running a stock radiator for a good minute. I upgraded to a Koyo.
Nice. I love Koyos.
Yeah. Upgraded the intercooler.
Is this the fuser panel new?
Yes, this cooling panel is new.
Nice.
Got it off a buddy. He had it, so I just bought it off of him.
And then you're saying the huge ass intercooler now?
Yeah, we upgraded the intercooler to I forgot a SOOO intercooler.
Forgot the intercooler.
SOOO intercooler from a CX Racing intercooler.
Right. Yeah.
The IAT was trash on the CX Racing that came with the boosted performance kit.
Okay.
So upgraded.
Is it a lot better now?
Yeah. Air temps are pretty good at the moment.
Same turbo?
Same turbo.
Okay.
Same turbo kit.
Okay.
Then we got a ARC oil catch can / coolant reservoir.
Yeah, I know you like your blings.
And that's pretty much it.
Pretty much it. But yeah, with those headers and that modified white pipe, it flows a whole lot better, huh?
Oh yeah, the turbo definitely spool a lot quicker.
A lot more responsive, everything.
Yep.
Has it affected the sound any?
Yes, I think it has.
You think it has?
Yeah.
The exhaust and the spooling sound too?
Yes.
That's
it
cool.
Definitely got a little bit a higher pitch than a deeper tone from the last setup.
That's cool. All right, well, shoot. Let's go ahead and mic this bad boy up. I know that's what you guys want to hear most of all. So give me a second and we'll be inside the cabin. All right, guys, you ready for this? He's got a new unsprung clutch. Let's watch him stall. Oh, that was beautiful. Even on a hill, too. Look at him cheesing. Oh, man. Hold on. All right. Had that big old cheese after that. Yeah, we're good to go. Had some audio issues. We did a little change real quick. We got the blow-off valve sounding nice now. Man, that sounds good. The blow-off valve sounds totally different.
The blow-off valve is the same. What sounds different is I got more turbo flutter.
Okay.
Because I don't have a filter on there. I just got a turbo guard now.
Oh, really? It's not much different sound.
It is.
Wow.
Yeah, same. Like I said, same turbo.
Yeah.
But the last time.
The same blow-off valve. Everything is just at the turbo guard.
Yeah, the turbo guard opens up the turbo up even more.
Dang.
Yeah.
That sounded cool. But that sounds really freaking good. It sounds totally different.
Oh yeah.
Dang. Yeah, that's pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Let's do a launch. Is anybody around?
I'll up just a little bit. What kind of launch? Just like second gear?
Go down slow from first. Or you're like a very slow first roll. Yeah, we don't have to do it from a dig, but just start off from first.
Hopefully I don't miss.
That it did hit limiter a little bit up first, and it bounced limiter. That sounded mean as hell. That sounded good as hell. Oh shit. Oh man, this has all the noises. Guess we'll go to like a second or third gear lag switch.
Alright.
Okay. Do a UE right here if there's nobody around.
Ah, man.
Car sounds nuts, dude.
Yeah.
But hold on. Get down to like 3 or something. I felt that sideways in top of second. Man, alright. It sounds so good! Man! It sounds really nice. Alright, hold on, nice. Drive a little bit. Stay on 3 for a little bit and then do it. Gotta get your timing down. That new system. That new setup. Man, it sounds good. How's your wide band and everything? Good?
Pretty good. I have no complaint on this tune at all.
Yeah. You did go good, man. Congratulations on a nice engine build.
Yeah. Next one would be a fully built this time with rods and pistons.
Yeah. Do they sleeve VQs?
They do. But I might just keep it open, you know. I heard they can. My goal is like probably 800. You know, 1,000 horsepower in a VQ is just. Right here.
Yeah, right on here. We're saying 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 is just too much.
It's just too much.
It's not fun to handle. It's just no.
I like it right here. 500.
Yeah. Yeah. Just why not just dog on it? You don't have to worry about it or anything like that.
Yeah.
Guys, what you think about the Phoenix? Did it rise again? How is the car? Put in the comments about the vehicle, what you think about the rebirth. Chris finally got everything down. We're going down to Z Nationals in a few weeks. Hit us up down there. You'll see this car down there too. Man.
This will be my first Z Nationals too.
Oh really? Never been?
No.
Shit, last year was my first too. Alright, well cool. Guys, put a comment. Hit that sub button. Let me know how the audio sound, how the car sound. Those launches was cool. Like I say, he just went from a cooler works back to the short shifter, so there's some readjustment to do.
Yeah.
But until next time,
I know
guys,
my banging gears are kind of slow right now, but
yeah,
we'll get back to it.
we'll get back to it. I don't know, yeah, the car just got back on the road.
Yeah.
You have a lot to get accustomed to, man. But you've done a good job, man. It sounds phenomenal. I love the new sound.
Yeah.
It sounds really, really awesome. Let's go ahead and pull these mics off, and you guys, y'all take it easy.